So hello guys, in this video we will talk about different data types in C++ programming. So let's start. So C++ cheap data types are listed in the following. So below are the some of the most used data types. So char is a character, then string is several characters, int is an integer number, float is a floating point number with 6 decimals, double is a floating point number with 10 decimals. So let's see some examples. And one more is there, bool is a value with true and false. So like if you write hello, so this is a string data, this comes under string. If you write 168, this comes under integer. This number is comes under float. If there are more than 6 decimal, then you have to use double. And if there is true and false, then you have to use bool. So hello is a string type, 168 is an int type, this is a float type, this is a double type, and true is a bool type. Now next we see how we define a variable in C++ programming. So a variable is a container to temporarily store a data value. The syntax to define a variable and the value is as follows. Like first we have to write type, then the variable name, and then the value. So let's see one example. So below is one example like int main, char c this, string as this, int I this, float f this, and double d this, bool b this. So char is the type. Like first we have to write the type. So this is the type here. Then we have to write the variable name. So c is the variable name here, and then we have to write the value. So this is the value here. Then this is the type, this is the name, variable name, and this is the value. This is the type, this is the variable name, this is the value. This is the type, this is the variable name, this is the value. Double is the type, d is the variable name, and this is the value. Bool is the type, this is the variable name, and this is the value. So C is a char type variable, and its value is C. Similarly, S is a string type variable and its value is hello. I is a int type variable and its value is this. F is a float type variable and its value is this. D is a double type variable and its value is this. And B is a bool type variable and its value is true. So in this way, you can see how there are different data types in C++ programming and how you can define the variables with different data types. So hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share, subscribe. We will meet in next video.